Okay. I'm graduating today in exactly 2 hours. I have 1 hour to get ready. I already got my hair done. So now all I have to do is do my makeup, of course. And I already know what I'm gonna do, so I'm hoping that it won't take too long, but I just wanted to film this process because I like filming get ready with me's and I like watching them and editing them and all that. So here we are. I'm hella nervous and I feel like the lighting is off. Is the lighting better from here? I guess. Let me reposition everything on my table. Is this the angle we're doing? Yes. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put on music, to be honest, because I don't know what to talk about. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. I know everyone says this, but I genuinely did not think I would get this far, and like obviously basically everyone I know has graduated from high school or is going to graduate from high school, so it's not like a special like crazy thing to graduate from high school, but like I'm very proud of myself. I had some hard stuff happen that was going to stop me from graduating, but here I am, bitches. I'm graduating today and nothing stopped me. Nothing is going to stop me unless I fall on stage. This eyebrow looks bad already. We're off to a bad start. Is this eyebrow a good eyebrow? No, it's not. It looks like a caterpillar. That's not good. That's not what we want to look like today. So basically, let me explain the plan. I have to leave the house at 3 and it is currently 2:15. So I have 45 minutes to finish doing my makeup. Is that better? No, it's not. To finish doing my makeup and to get dressed, which is not going to take long because I'm not wearing a super elaborate dress. I feel like my dress is very casual. Like I think I'm very underdressed. Oh god, this is not going well right now. Should be fine, should be fine. Okay, next let's do eyeshadow, and for that I'm gonna need to concentrate, so I'm gonna put on just music and vibe. Let's go. If I sent you on me to a pretty boy, let's go. Got me in your rough, you look as good as Oprah's baby. And you back in. How can I explain myself? You're showing up, but it's alright. It's a good life. Without a mention, you ready? Price it up on these niggas, you gotta be nice for what to these niggas. Are you riding? Saying that I never leave from beside me, cause I want you. You know a lot of girls be thinking my songs go out there, boy. This is not to give a feels. This one's for you. Baby, you my everything. You are my everything. You everybody. You be up on everything. Another homie, never pony. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever pony. Cause you know me. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. So I finished eyebrows and my eyes. I'm doing mascara last, I think, because I feel like it pulls everything together very nicely in the end, so I always do that last. Now I'm moving on to like my face and I'm gonna like contour and everything, so wish me luck with that. I'm moving on to another song, so let's vibe some more. I just need some give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming every breathing, I don't need a reason, baby. All through the hood, problems, but everything's all good. My own, someone's calling patient, submission, domination. Okay, so my camera stopped recording because of storage space, but now I have a new card in and I think it should be fine now, but I also don't know where I left off, so I'm really sorry if there's like a huge gap from where I am now to where I was in the clip before this, but there's nothing I can do and I really don't have the time to, like, you know, there's nothing I can do. So now currently we have 14 minutes left. I finished foundation. Now I'm on to concealer, and I'm getting increasingly more nervous. So now I'm gonna do like the rest of my face and then lips and mascara to finish it all off, and then I'm ready. Okay, I'm very nervous. Like, this is a big deal to me. Like, I'm graduating, okay? I don't know. I'm excited, and I'm excited to see all of my friends because I love my friends so fucking much.
So I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that I'm still left out. Girl, you got me stressed out. I can only be one that you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. I got fake people showing fake love to me, straight up to my face. I'm so proud of you. On the side to this left, you don't want me to run. On the side to this left, I just don't matter to me. It don't matter to me what you say. It don't matter to me.
I am ready. So this is my makeup and my hair, and this is not my dress yet, but I'm about to put that on, and I am so guys, I just finished my makeup and I'm so fucking excited. I am very excited. Now all I have to do is get dressed, put on my jewelry, and then I can go and I'll see you, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're almost graduated. Okay. Woo. Woo. Okay, this is fine. Okay, are you ready for the dress reveal? Ta-da.
Yes, you can. 1, 2, and 3.
Ah ja. Aber I have to zoom into my face as I always do.
Als du 17 war, warst du 11.
Ja. Focus on me.
Hast du Abi gemacht?
Focus on me. Hello. No, I want all the teeth. Okay, no. Here.
Do you want to feel my eyebrows?
Come in with me. I will zoom into your eyebrows now. Oh, wow.
Kann man mal Lena nach Hause bestellen?
Damn.
Oh my god, her eyebrows. Then mine.
I'm coming in.
Coming in Julia's eyebrows.
All you ever do when I give you my camera is zoom into each other's face.
Ja, wir wollten gerade
That's
Augenbrauen
my thing.
Meine Augenbrauen sind halt echt sehr wohl.
Das stimmt. Was? Ach, du sagst gerade schön.
What you want from me? What you want from me? Got me like don't you stop love.
To the right, to the left. Ready? Just real smooth.
Watch it, let's go to right. I wait. Excuse me. I don't know.
We're gonna be such good wedding guests. Yeah.
Whoa, what the heck?
Oh no, it's
Wait, stay there.
Are you zooming into this kid while I'm dead?
Wait. There we go.
Put middle child. Let's do that. Honestly, it's good. It's not bad.